Need some Christmas cocktail recipes for your next Christmas cocktail party? I got one of my best holiday party recipes, perfect and sure to become one of your favorite winter cocktail recipes. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video we're going to be talking about Christmas cocktail recipes, Gluhwein Edition. I'm not only going to show you how to make Gluhwein with this easy Gluhwein recipe, but I'm going to show you a couple cool ways for you to serve it as well. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending and cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here. And don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, if you're looking for holiday drink ideas, this German Christmas market staple is definitely a way to go. Now, full disclosure, Gluhwein is a relatively new concept for me. Only learned about it in the past few years. Having been married to a German, it became part of our Christmas tradition. And for those of you who don't know, it roughly translates to mean either glowing wine or smoldering wine. But in the years to follow, it's definitely become one of my favorite warm Christmas drinks. Now you may be saying to yourself, isn't this just some other form of mulled wine? And you'd be right, it is actually a mulled wine. So if you are into that kind of thing, here's an easy mulled wine recipe for you to add to your stash of favorite Christmas drink recipes. Now for this Gluhwein recipe, I want you to take an orange, cut 2 round slices from the orange, about 1/4 of an inch thick each slice. Then I want you to put that to the side. Next, go ahead and grab a large pot, put it on the stove over medium heat. Then you're going to go ahead and add 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of water. You're going to take the rest of that orange, juice it, and add the juice from that orange to the pot. Take 3 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and split open 1 vanilla pod, drop that in the pot. Next, you're going to take those slices of oranges that you had, and you're going to take about 15 whole cloves and stuff them in each of the slices. Put the slices in the pot, and then go ahead and let the mixture simmer for about 15 minutes or so. Now, it's important to let it simmer and not boil. You don't want it to burn off all the moisture out of it and have it too syrupy a mixture. Now, once that's done, go ahead and remove it from the heat. Take your favorite coffee mug or teacup, any heat-resistant container that you have. Go ahead and serve it in there. Now, you can either garnish that with a cinnamon stick, with a star anise pod, an orange slice, all of the above, whichever one you want to do. Now, if you see my other Christmas party recipes video, you know that I love winter cocktails with rum. This video right here. Now, the cool thing in Germany, when you go to a Christmas market in Germany, whenever you order a Gluhwein, you're given the option of having it with an additional shot of rum, if that's what you like. So obviously, you know, I was smiling when the Christmas cocktails with rum box was checked off that list with this particular cocktail. Now, in case you're thinking, you know what, Sam, this sounds great, this sounds delicious, but it is way too hot where I live for me to enjoy this particular cocktail. Don't worry, I got you covered. Now, full disclosure, the purists out there may take issue with this. They may look at you strange if you suggest it, but you know what? It's the holidays. You're the one who's drinking it, so go nuts. First thing I would suggest is, keeping the Gluhwein chilled after you've made it, let all the flavors incorporated and all that, and then you can serve it kind of like a sangria. Put a shot of rum in your cup or your glass or whatever. Go ahead and enjoy it that way. The second way, which I've been playing with, which I think is pretty cool, is to carbonate your Gluhwein. Still serve with a shot of rum though. Now, if you want to learn more about how to carbonate a cocktail the right way, you can check out this video right here. But all you do is keep it chilled, add your shot of rum to your flute, go ahead and add your carbonated Gluhwein, and enjoy. And that's how you make Gluhwein. Perfect winter cocktail, great for anybody who needs Christmas drink ideas. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, don't forget to head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download the Barprints cheat sheet, free PDF training that will take you from a novice bartender to a pro in just under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, go ahead and hit the like button, share it with your friends. Helps the channel out way more than you know. And last but not least, for more great videos on bartending, cocktails, instructional tutorials, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.